All them pictures is my sons, but who's the daddy? All them pictures is my sons, but who's the daddy? All them pictures is my sons, but who's the daddy? All them pictures is my sons, but who's the daddy? All them pictures is my sons, but who's the daddy? Baby don't look like me. Pictures is my sons, but who's the daddy? Pictures is my sons, but who's the daddy? Pictures, baby don't look like me. You your daddy's son, hey. Told y'all I was gonna bump like. You your daddy's son.
Another beautiful day, another beautiful vlog. Princess Bravo here if you're new. So right now I want to make some burgers, and it's been a while since we ate burgers and I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul of the things that my man got that we really needed in the house. He had to get like cheese, the mayonnaise that we needed for the burgers, the lettuce, the peppers. Yeah, I can't even remember the last time I went to a restaurant or ordered a burger, because I can make one myself, and that's unpaid, because yeah, we're saving money. There's a playlist on my YouTube channel called In the Kitchen, where I'll be showcasing my cooking, you know, sharing my recipes. And if you try this recipe, please let me know if you love it, and let's get into it.
The mood is set, so you already know what's next. TV on blast, turn it down. Don't want it to clash with nobody screaming out now. I know you hearing it. You got me moaning now. I got a secret that I wanna show you. Oh, I got a secret, I'ma drop into the flow. No teasing, you waited long enough. Go deep, I'ma throw it at you, can't catch it. Don't hold back, you know I like it rough. I'm feeling you, huh? Know you're liking it, huh? So why you standing over there with your clothes on? Baby, strip down for me, gon' take them off. Don't worry, baby, I'ma meet you halfway, 'cause I know you wanna see me.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Every time I try to go, something keeps pulling me back. Everything's gonna be alright. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. It was meant to be, you were meant for me, so that means we gotta make it. Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you'd die, giving so much of yourself? It seems the only way. Tell me what you want and I will give it to you. I try to leave, you keep putting me back. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back. It's telling me I need you in my life. And everything's gonna be alright. Telling me I need you in my life. It was meant to be, you were meant for me, so that means we got my love. Did you ever dream that it could be so right? I never thought that I would find all that I need in life. All I want, all I need, now I know I found it in you. 'Cause every time I leave, you keep pulling me back. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back. Telling me I need you in my life. Yeah. Everything's gonna be alright. Hey. Telling me I
vacation. Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. Just times different and we're not the same. Cause anything's
I'm proud of you. Keep killing it. Keep doing your thing. There's no ceiling on, you know, your growth. There's no ceiling on your prosperity. It's all in your mind. Whatever you say with your mouth, confess it, and that's that. And then work towards it and keep it moving. And anybody who don't fall in line falls back, and that's that.